finish. 3, 2, 1.
Chloe.
Ay, sabay. Okay, next question. Bold lip or soft glam? 3, 2, 1.
Soft glam.
Grabe. Alam niyo ba yung mga questions? Dina-rehearse niyo? Next question. Day skincare or night skincare? 3, 2, 1. Day
Night
skincare.
skincare.
Oh, okay. Nagkaiba na kayo.
Hey,
dyan.
why do you like me? Parang same lang yung day and night.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Classic neutrals or playful color? 3, 2, 1. Playful
Classic
color.
neutrals.
Oh.
Or makeup. But with fashion, I like color.
And for you, is that for makeup? The
For makeup, I'm trying to experiment. Simply.
playful colors. Okay. You guys are